This is what happens when 23 inches of snow, well actually more than that, I think it's around 25 inches of snow, melt all of a sudden. I believe this is the stream I videoed by that bridge, and it's all got to come through here. I wonder if that water made it down here from the time I drove over here. It might have. Missouri, that's a lot of water. Should put in a hydroelectric dam here. But then it goes dry during the summer if there's a drought. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Little eddy here, that's what I think that's what they call it, where it comes back and it turns around. You see the one over there. Out back behind here, there's you can see a dike that's going across back here, and that can overfill this, come up to this road, I believe. I think it's probably come over the road here before. But yeah, quite a deal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.